life of a landscaper. You gotta do shit like, you gotta do stuff like this. Gotta use a little to cut these trees down. Yeah, gang, so this video is basically what I do in a day of a landscaper. Sorry, I'm not really paying attention to y'all, but I'm not driving on the road. I'm in a property we're working at today. So today I will be doing a video showing y'all some of what I do in a day as a landscaper. You know, I know a lot of guys probably wonder what I do and how I do it. So I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of what I do. As for one, you can tell that I drive trucks. Well, I drive dump trucks, and I don't know where my crew leader is at the current moment. But I'll be back with y'all. So too, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified. Give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, like I said, this is basically a video of what I do today. So hope you guys enjoy it. It might be a couple days of clips, but I had to put the phone down because the police was coming by, and I'm just riding around here trying to find where I'm supposed to be working at today, because there's numerous spots. End of, all right. So this is the finished stump grinding. Wasn't much to it. I didn't have to take out nothing, so that's a plus. But that's that. Alright, so this is stump number 2. We gotta get it somewhat ground level and get it up out of here. Got this one, and I think that's another one. We got a total of like 8 stumps to grind. Well, this is called a stump grinder, but they got bigger ones, but this is a small. Perfect for these little stumps. There she blows. I'm at the dump right now, and my coworker and got the damn truck stuck. So the next clip y'all see is him stuck at the dump, and the guy on the excavator getting them unstuck. So yeah, so we'll be back, and I think this will end today's vlog, so stay tuned for tomorrow's. All right, so I'm at the dump, and my coworker, he done got stuck. I'm glad I ain't follow him, cause I probably would have been in the same boat as him. Look at that, y'all. He done buried the truck. But I'm dumping. He not.
They gotta expose me like this.
Y'all see this, right? I mean, he straight buried the truck. Maze free. Great job. Good morning, gang. So this is day 2. It is 6:43 in the morning, and we're going back to the same property that I was at yesterday. And it's gonna be an eventful day because it's just 2 people today instead of 4. So don't be looking for much to be getting done today. But y'all stay tuned. Them in the tree now. They wanted me to go out there, but the harness is too small for me. No life of being a big guy. So y'all, I'm home. I know I was supposed to vlog today, but today was a bust. You know, it was only 2 guys today, so I can't really record much. But stay tuned for tomorrow. Let's see what tomorrow has in store. I'm about to get in the shower and relax and enjoy the rest of my night. Y'all stay tuned. What's up, gang? This is day 3, and it's a smooth 36 degrees outside, so I might be sitting in the truck all day because I ain't too fond of cold weather. But let's see what today has for us. We got everybody here today. My ride home every day. I get stuck in traffic. I get stuck in 5 o'clock traffic every day. And it should be over with right now, but it's not. 5 o'clock traffic sucks. Sorry, y'all can't really see that clear, but yeah, this is it. And it's crazy because when I get right here at this spot, it breaks up a little bit, but then it gets backpacked until I get home. But today at work wasn't really much because I've been doing the same thing past 3 days. Tomorrow I give y'all different scenery, different stuff that I'll be doing. But y'all stay tuned. Tomorrow will be Thursday, so yeah. I hope hope y'all liking this so far, and stay tuned to tomorrow. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Love you, gang. So this is another part of day 4. No, I don't know. I think you're talking about them right there. Today is Friday. This is the last day I'm gonna wrap up this video. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. Today. It's kind of cold out here, but yeah, we made it. We made it to Friday. Thank God it's Friday. So this is the before of what we're doing today. Probably won't finish today, but all of this is again Chapel Hill grit, and I will be using this machine. That's my boss, of course, but I'll be using this machine all day, going back and forth. I'm about to go find me a bathroom somewhere. We did this volleyball court about a month ago. What's up, gang? So I'm currently on my way. What's up, gang? I'm currently on my way to go pick up some Chapel Hill grit. I know a lot of you guys may not know what that is, but I will try my best to show you them loading me up. I'm at a stop sign right now, but I'm gonna try my best to show y'all them load me up and show y'all what it is and show y'all the equipment that I'm using. Today is gonna be, I'm claiming it, today's gonna be a chill day. But y'all stay tuned. So gang, this is all of what I've done all week. Again, I thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if y'all want to see more videos like this from me. But again, thank you for watching the video and seeing what I do in a week. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that baby notifier, give this video a thumbs up, or check out the family. Until next time, gang, gang, gang.